Nigel Ross presents a Noranda gem. Unit 5, 1 Sherbrooke Heights, Noranda. Totally brilliant, sought-after location in Noranda, amongst million-dollar homes, and with a lovely park right next door. With the well-cared-for complex, many owner-occupied, and with attractive gardens and lots of street appeal, you don't want to miss out on this Noranda gem. The townhouse is spacious, with an open-plan lounge dining area, with brand-new bamboo timber flooring, a brand-new modern kitchen with stacks of cupboards, including a built-in wine rack and brand-new Westinghouse cooking appliances. The open-plan lounge exits to a comfortable-sized courtyard. Downstairs also consists of an understairs storage room, decent-sized laundry and toilet. Upstairs, there are 3 decent-sized bedrooms, all with built-in sliding wardrobes, and a semi-ensuite bathroom with a shower and toilet. Upstairs has brand new carpet and balcony views. Excellent security is assured, with a lock-up garage and alarm system. A brand new split-system air conditioner provides year-round comfort. Plus, there's many more features. Investors, this will be a great investment, and in this sought-after location, tenants won't want to leave. If you're looking at downsizing or you're a first home buyer, this is the home you have been looking for. For more information or a personal viewing, contact Nigel Ross from Harcourts Integrity on 0449 982 201.